Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I got a bunch of the parts for the Grom. So here's some of the stuff that we're going to be doing over the next, probably this weekend. I got the camaro intake, pretty decent bit of kit for, I feel like it's a little overpriced, honestly, for what you get. This was like 125 bucks. It's about 60 bucks worth of stuff. I mean, this is like nothing. This is essentially nothing. So really, this is kind of what they're selling you. This perfect bend, hopefully, which is shaped for the Grom, the connections on this side that are set up correctly. So this little bit is what you're really paying for, and the filter. I haven't priced the filter on its own, but I'm guessing this is like a $15, $20 filter. So really you're paying about 100 bucks for this, this little bit. Anyway, but I think it'll make a substantial difference based on everything I've read. And I'll come back to this. Basically, I want to upgrade my clutch since my clutch is worn out. I've got 17,000 miles on this Grom, and I don't believe the clutch has ever been changed. So for that, I got these plates from SMR, Sex Machine Racing, and I got the 60% springs from SMR, and I got the Coso Enhanced Lifter plate, which you need, supposedly. I don't really think you need it, although this is nice because it's a lighter plate. You need it if you got stiffer springs. You kind of need something more substantial to hold those springs down, essentially, so it won't break. And then the last thing is I ended up buying the clutch tool on Amazon. Pretty cheap. I think this was only like $9 versus like the Honda part is like $100 or something like that, 90 bucks, and hopefully they're identical. So that's everything that I got. I'm hoping this can all be done in one day. The other project I'm going to do at the same time is these NDC chain adjusters. These are seriously cool, really nicely machined aluminum, very well painted. And I also got some spools that I bought separately, I think on eBay, I don't quite remember. But these should work out pretty well for managing the bike. So yeah, I'm gonna get busy on that this weekend, if time permits, and click that subscribe button and the bell and whatnot if you want to be notified once I post that video. It may be 2 videos, it may be 3 videos, or it might be 1 video. It all depends on how much content it is, honestly, how many hours it takes me to do it. I want to do a good job of covering all the little gotchas with installing these different components. There's quite a few videos out there for how to install all of this stuff already. So, mine will just show you all the wrong things not to do. Oh, and then coming back to this is the crankcase gasket. And anytime you're changing your oil, unfortunately, the Grom doesn't really have an oil filter. It has a little oil screen inside the crankcase. So in order to change the oil, if you want to clean that filter, you actually have to remove the crankcase. And once you do that, you probably want to replace the gasket, unless it just doesn't show any damage at all. I have a feeling I'm going to end up replacing the gasket. So I went ahead and ordered one. It was cheap enough. It's like $6, $7. And this is a very commonly found part. So it's easy. And what's so cool is I get more stickers. I get a Camaro sticker, I get a K&N sticker, and a hardracing.com sticker. These guys were super fast with their shipping, so that's what I will say about that. Only thing I didn't like about them is they wouldn't ship to a place where they only ship to your bill to address. That's like their policy. And my bill to address is different than my ship to address. So I had to drive to my bill to address today just to pick this up. Not a big complaint. Most of you probably won't care. And that goes with the Camaro, and so does that. And I don't believe I got any. I have some NDC stickers. I'll put these up. And I got there's one more sticker here that I got with all of this. I like stickers. If you want to send me stickers, send me stickers. This is the Steady Garage. Yeah. So yeah, that sticker. That's where I bought the clutch parts. So my old garage, I used to have my cabinets were covered with all kinds of cool stickers, but this new garage doesn't have anything on here, so I'm looking forward to covering it all up. I'll start with some of these. Anyway, if you got some pointers ahead of time, you want to let me know about installing any of these, please leave them in the comments. Otherwise, tune in next time when I invariably screw something up with these installs. It should be a lot of fun. Cheers.